Hi, I'm Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in today's video, we're going to talk about preparing for installation of wallpaper. In particular, priming and/or, as it's called, sizing. Now, this is very important to make sure that the wall is ready for your new wallpaper, and it helps it go on more smoothly. But more importantly, if you ever go to remove the wallpaper, the sizing will help make that job a whole heck of a lot easier. Let me show you how it's done. Whenever you're putting any kind of finish on a wall, prep work is key, and that's particularly true when it comes to wallpaper. So you want to wash the wall down first. Make sure that any dust or grime is eliminated. Then take a look at the wall for imperfections. If there are gouges or cracks, you want to use a wall spackle to cover those up and make sure they're nice and smooth. You don't want to have any of those imperfections show through your new wallpaper. And then it's time to prime, or as it's known in the industry, size the walls. Now this is very important. You don't just want to put wallpaper and glue on the wall, because when it comes time to remove that wallpaper down the line, it will be quite a job.
Don't forget the drop cloths, painter's tape, and remove the device covers from outlets or switches that may be on the wall. You're going to need a sturdy, flat surface to work from when it comes to setting up your wallpaper. So a folding table might make a good choice, but keep in mind that you may get glue on the surface.
All right, the prep work is done, and now you're ready to install the wallpaper. We have videos on that topic as well. If you'd like to learn more, you can always go to our website, acehardware.com, and if you need personal advice, just go to your local Ace Hardware store. Remember, Ace is the helpful place.